Where did my paycheck go? Follow along with the attached instructions to figure out where it has gone. The instructions today are: read the following scenario, complete the blanks on the paycheck stub by entering the personal information and paycheck deductions in the appropriate places. Calculate gross pay, total deductions, and net pay. So we would begin here by filling out the required information. So our employee is Julie Jones. So here you would write Julie Jones. Make sure that you write the name as it is on the information. Then we would fill in the employee number, which is the same as Social Security number. Oftentimes the employee is assigned a number. It could be different, but in this case it is Social Security number. So you would go ahead and fill out the Social Security number as it is stated in the information. 77. And you would continue filling out the information for the employee address, which is given on right under her name. So her address is 408, oops, kind of made a mistake there, 408 South 11th Street in Ash Grove. And you want to make sure you include the entire address. Missouri 65604. I kind of went over the box, but you kind of get the point here. Okay, next I'm going to take you back one more. You'll see that there is no other information that you need for her personal information, so we're done with this section. Move that we're going to do. Next, on to the next page, it gives us information. So we know that Julie has secured a job as a teller at the Guardian National Bank. She is paid twice a month on the 1st and the 15th. So twice a month, meaning that we're going to have to figure out her salary for 2 times per month with 12 months in a year. Payday is going to be on March 1st. The pay period is February 1 through 14. So you'll go ahead and fill out the pay period at the bottom, and we'll just assume that it is 2017. She has medical benefits and she has a retirement package. Okay, at $26,000 a year, and we're getting paid twice a year, we need to divide $26,000 by 24 pay periods to get how much she is going to get each paycheck. So she's going to get 2 paychecks a month. So we're going to divide 26,000 by 24. How much did you get? Take some time here to calculate her pay amount per pay period, and then proceed to fill it into the spot where it says gross pay. Hopefully you got $1,083.33. If you did, way to go. Okay, now we know that we can fill in information according to what you are given. So Julie's paycheck deductions include 6.2% for Social Security, which is 6.2% of gross pay, 1.45% Medicare, which is also taken from gross pay. Federal withholding tax has been calculated, state withholding tax has been calculated, and she has deductions for medical insurance and her 401k, which is her retirement plan. So let's calculate Social Security. Social Security is 6.2% of her gross pay. So 6.2%, if we are going to convert that to decimal format, we would write it as 0.062 times $1,083.33. Go ahead and figure out that calculation now. You may pause this video in order to take time to do your calculations. Now let's calculate Medicare. Medicare is 1.45% of gross pay. So let's take some time now to calculate our Medicare deduction. So you would go ahead and take 1.45 Convert that to decimal, so that is 0.0145 times our gross pay, which is $1,083.33, and that would be dollars. Go ahead and take a moment now to calculate the Medicare deduction. We are now going to fill in the information that we have calculated along with the given information. So at this point, we are going to zoom in. I'm going to zoom in, and we are going to write in the amount of federal withholding. Now, federal withholding was given, we were given the dollar amount of $122.05. So you would go ahead and write 122.05 for state withholding. For federal withholding, excuse me. For state withholding, if we look back at our information, we see that state withholding is $42.27. And if you line up the decimals, you'll find that it works a little bit easier. Social Security. Now, if your calculations were correct, you should have gotten $67.17 for Social Security. That is $1,083.33 times 0.062 to get your Social Security. For federal Medicare, with your calculations, you should have gotten $15, and 71 cents. I'm going to go ahead and erase that so it makes a little bit, so you can read a little bit better. $15.71. Medical was given to us, and medical is $42 per pay period. And our 401k deduction is $76.31. At this point, you're going to go ahead and give the total amount. You would just go ahead and add these up. So go ahead and take a moment to add all of these up. Remember, you may pause the video as you take time to go ahead and add the total up. So our grand total at this point is $365.51. If this is not the number that you got, I would go back and check your math and go ahead and re-enter them into your calculator. To calculate our check amount, we're going to take our gross pay, which as you recall was $1,083.33, and we're going to subtract our total deductions, which were $365.51. And with that calculation, we then will be able to go ahead and fill in our check amount. So take a moment here to go ahead and fill out your check amount. All right, now as you have had the time to calculate that equation, our net pay, so amount that's going to be on our paycheck, will be $717.82. Well, now we know where our paycheck went. So we started out with $26,000 annually, $1,083.33 per paycheck, to give us our net pay of $717.82. This is what your pay stub should look like. Let me know if you have any questions, and now you're ready to do it on your own.